Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert text to speech in Python. It's pretty simple, let's get started. This is the result of the program. Let's enter any text. For example, subscribe to Simple Python channel. Then press enter.
Subscribe to Simple Python channel.
Our text has been converted to speech. Let's do the same. First, let's create a speech variable. I use pyttsx3 library. Let's import it. Use the hint install and input package pyttsx3. Okay, install and package. Speech package has been installed. Next, let's init it. Let's create an input text. Input equals input, enter the text to be converted to speech. Then we put 3 dots to show that we are waiting for user's response. Then we can do a line break to enter the answer on another line. Okay, let's run the program. We have the input field where we can add the answer. And now we need to voice the entered text. We only need to add 2 lines of code. The first line, speech.say input text and input text here. Okay, and the next line, speech.runAndWait. Let's check, run the program, add the text. For example, subscribe to Simple Python YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, and press enter.
Subscribe to Simple Python YouTube channel if you didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video.
Now I would like to slow down the speed of speech. Let's copy this text so as not to write it again. Copy it. Let's delete the space to make slides straighter. To slow down the speech, let's write speech.setProperty rate, and the default definition is 200. Let's make 150 words in a minute. The normal speech rate is 140 to 180 words per minute. Run the program, add the text. Let's correct the mistake in the subscribe word. Okay.
Subscribe to Simple Python YouTube channel if you didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video.
Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.